Hello, welcome to IT Security Labs, and today we are back again on the advent of Cyber Challenge. This is a CTF challenge that's meant for beginners who want to learn cybersecurity, and every single day until Christmas we'll be learning something new. And on day 4 today we are going to be investigating Santa's website. We're learning about scanning. Scanning is the process of us identifying either IP addresses, services, and what's happening on a system. So this is part of the enumerating process. Our objectives are: what is scanning, types of scanning, some techniques, and tools. You will notice that the first tool that they mention is nmap, and this is network mapper. It's a very wonderful tool for scanning networks and identifying hosts and also identifying some services. We learn about the scene scan, and also we use NICTO. NICTO is what we use for identifying vulnerabilities on websites. So as you can see, there's some syntax, and we also do some SMB. Right now we deployed a machine. Mine is on 10.10.111.155, and this is the website for Santa's gift shop. So we'll go back to our attacker Kali here. All right, so first we can do a simple ping to our victim IP, see if we can get there. So first question says, what is the name of the HTTP server running on the remote host? We don't know that yet, so we can go and scan using nmap -sv -sc service version and use some default scripts. That's my go-to scan. Okay, so from these results we see that we have OpenSSH port 22 in the version. That's why I like the SV flag. Then we have port 80 running Apache HTTPD, so I think they want this as an answer. Then we have 139 NetBIOS and Samba. So we have a few ports open, and that's what nmap gives us. So we'll go back here. What is the name of HTTP server running? This is Apache. I think that's what they want. Awesome. What is the name of the service running on port 22 on QA server? This is SSH. So we found right here that port 22 is open and it's on SSH. All right, what is the flag you find after successfully accessing the Samba share? So with Samba, we can just open File Explorer and do SMB, and then the IP address, and we're in. So we can see that we have admin, print, Samba share. All right, so to connect, we are given a username of Ubuntu and password of Santa. So we're going to use that. So instead of anonymous, we're using Ubuntu, and we paste. So here's the Samba share with a test file. Okay, let's go back. Admins. And we see the flag, so we copy that. So we found this information from the OSINT yesterday. Okay, then we paste the flag and submit. Okay, what is the password for the username for Santa HR? Username the text Santa HR, so it's Santa 25. So we just found a bunch of information in the share, which is, typical for enterprise stuff, where you find passwords and usernames. So we completed day 4, where we were learning about scanning and reconnaissance. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you tomorrow.